So we will continue today with our topic growing up as boys and girls. And in this topic, what we have discussed so far, yes, Rishita, please explain once what we have discussed so far. Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we have done growing up in Samoa in 1920, growing up male in Madhya Pradesh in 1960, and we have read the story My Mother Does Not Work.
Yes, very good. We have done one in growing up in Samoa, okay? Then growing up in Madhya Pradesh. This is in 1920 to 1960. And then we have continued with one more story. So till now, we have also discussed one more point about other than these two stories, these two case studies, we have discussed one more important point. Yes, Bhavya?
Ma'am, we have started valuing household work.
Valuing household work that we were discussing before that. Value of household
Before
work.
that, yes, ma'am, before that we discussed the story.
Yes, we were discussing that. Yes, Suhana, Hanji.
Society distinctions between girls and boys.
Yes, the distinctions made by society between boys and girls. कि how society makes distinctions. Okay, society sets some values in the minds of people, in the minds of children from very young age through toys, through instructing them. Okay, so distinction made between boys and girls from a very young age by the society. Okay, so these all points can be different questions of how distinction is being done by, because at the back exercise of this chapter you are not having questions. Okay, so these questions from your chapter you will do कि how distinction is made by the society between boys and girls. Okay, so now next we are continuing with the story. We have discussed the story. Explain in brief about that story. What was that story? We will explain in brief the story that we have discussed. Yes, who will discuss the story? Hanji bache. In brief, you have to tell only that story about Jasmeet and Sonali we were discussing. What was the idea from that story? Yes, Harjeet, you will explain the story in brief. Bhavya. Okay, Harjeet, first you will explain in brief. Yes, Harjeet.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. This was the story of the house between the housewoman and the working woman. There were the two students, and the student, the A, his or her mom was working woman, and the student B, the mom was housewife. So the student A thinks that she told to her mom that you can also come to the school, and her or his classmate is mom also come to the school for his functions and other functions also, and and to check, and the mom goes to the student A, mom goes to the house of the student B, and she told that student A is talking about you to like this, that you are housewife and you don't do nothing. And then the student A mom has thought about the plan. The plan was that you go to a strike tomorrow and you do nothing at the home. And
Yes.
when the
Yes, good, Harjeet. Next, Bhavya, you will continue from it. That when her mother thinks, who is she is a housewife, that she will not do work for one day. Continue story from this. Yes, Bhavya.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, when they came home after that, when Sonali and his mother came to okay. So Sonali and his mother came to Jasprit's house, and she suggested her to relax for one day, and her whole family could manage everything. Then on the very next day, the Jasprit go on the strike, and when the school was rang, everyone. When the school bus ran, they were not ready at all, and his father dropped them to the school and also gave them money to buy something for canteen. And when they came back to the home, the house was looking like that it was hit by an hurricane, and then last Jaspreet also uh, uh, and Jaspreet also told that his uncle and aunt will come at his home, so
Okay. So at the last, whether they realized the importance
yes,
her husband or their two children, who earlier was saying that my mother doesn't work, whether at last they realized that their
yes,
mother
the whole family realized that there is too much work for the household woman also.
Yes, the household work is not just like it is not, because we don't value this. Okay, our society don't value this household work, so that is why. So whether all of you value household work? Yes. Do you all value household work? Good. So valuing household work. So this is our next point. Ki because society devalues this story, this shows, ये story हमें क्या show करती है कि society it devalues. Society क्या करती है? It devalues household work. Household work को devalue. How? Because woman is only considered responsible for housework. First, so this thing is there. ठीक है? कि whose household work is whose responsibility? It is the thinking of society कि household work is just the responsibility of women. ठीक है? It is also considered. It is just the responsibility of women. This valuing housework. ठीक है? Society devalues this housework, and it is just the responsibility of women. In every society, it is being considered that only women has to do the household all work and the caregiving task. Caregiving task means to take care of older in the family, elders in the family, and as well as the younger kids. So all their care has to be taken by women only. So it is just the thinking of society. So this is also the lives of women. It is just considered that it is their sole responsibility to work in home, and that is why their work is also not even getting proper value. So in this step, government को थोड़ा effort करना पड़ेगा. Okay, before moving to the government effort, first we will discuss that there is also some domestic workers also. Okay, there are some domestic workers, and these domestic workers are also mostly women. और ये जो domestic workers हम helpers रखते हैं घर में, ये भी mostly women होती हैं, या कई बार हम younger boys और girls को भी घर का काम करने के लिए employ कर लेते हैं. And same is the condition with these domestic workers. Their work is also devalued. उनके work को भी devalue किया जाता है. They have to do a lot of work. ठीक है? उनको बहुत सारा lot of work includes all cleaning, washing, sweeping, ठीक है, cooking, and all etc. All the works at home. ठीक है? Lot of work they have to do, but they are not getting the salary, high salary. They are getting very low salary. Salary means wages. Wages means salary. वेजेस remuneration for their work, जो भी वो काम कर रही है उसके अगेंस्ट उनको क्या सैलरी मिल रही है. They are getting very low wages, they are doing a lot of work, and with even that low wages they are not getting even proper respect. ठीक है, they are not getting due respect to their work. वो ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट भी नहीं उनको मिल रही है, वेजेस भी कम मिल रही हैं, lot of work they are also doing. So this is same. Why this is so? Because society devalues household work. क्योंकि सोसाइटी हाउस होल्ड वर्क को इतनी इंपॉर्टेंस ही नहीं देती है, दैट्स व्हाई दे आर गेटिंग लो वेजेस इंस्टेड ऑफ डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क. ठीक है, इंस्टेड ऑफ डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क दे आर नॉट गेटिंग इवन प्रॉपर रिस्पेक्ट फॉर देयर वर्क. And this household work, it is also includes this housework. It includes all the works that are being done in home, cleaning, washing, and plus caregiving tasks. ठीक है, domestic, yes, domestic workers means the workers who work at home. ठीक है, at our home. There are many helpers. ठीक है, for washing utensils or for cleaning. ठीक है, हमने अलग अलग तरह के सर्वेंट्स रखे होते हैं, तो दे ऑल आर डोमेस्टिक वर्कर्स, वो सभी डोमेस्टिक वर्कर्स हैं. एंड देयर इज वन एग्जांपल इन योर बुक. आपके एग्जांपल में एक है, जैसे अभी हमने दो बच्चों की स्टोरी की. ठीक है, उनमें से जो मदर घर का काम करती है, शी हैज आल्सो वन हेल्पर, उसकी एक हेल्पर भी है. ठीक है, दैट इज मंगला, एंड सेम शी इज आल्सो गेटिंग वेरी लो सैलरी. इसी में एक और स्टोरी है मिलानी की. मिलानी, शी आल्सो वर्क्स इन अ वेरी हाई स्टेटस वुमेन के घर में. 3 story बिल्डिंग शी हैज, and she has employed 3 servants at her home. And that woman Melanie, she is getting very low wages and she is not getting even respect for her work. She daily wakes up at 5 a.m. and after this work she gets, just in the breakfast she used to get only 1 cup of tea and 2 roti, and her other 2 jo next 2 workers are they also. But sometimes they do a lot of work that they need 1 more roti and they are not even allowed, so they secretly cook 1 roti for herself and other 2, and they are not allowed to wear chappals even their home, inside the home, even in winter. So that is the situation, ki they are not giving the respect, proper respect to the work. It means this, ki there is no proper respect given to them. ठीक है, instead of doing a lot of work, not even respect is given, and not the wages proper they are also given to them. ठीक है, so this is the condition of domestic workers. Because why this is the condition? Because our society devalues the household work, and this household work includes all cleaning, washing, sweeping, cooking and caregiving tasks. ठीक है, what is caregiving task? Means to take care of elders and kids in the house. ठीक है, so this lot of work includes all kinds of household work, and this may include heavy physical work, because sometimes these women or these domestic workers, they have to fetch water from far away places. ठीक है, they have to carry sometimes load of woods, so this is, there a lot of physical work is included. ठीक है, तो physical work उसमें include होता है. So that is why there is also one data. Yes, low wages बच्चे, low salaries. लो सैलरीज भी लिख सकते हो आप. ठीक है, वेजेस मतलब सैलरी आप लिख सकते हो इसको, क्योंकि उनके काम की इतनी वैल्यू नहीं है तो उनको सैलरीज भी ज्यादा नहीं दी जाती. ठीक है, वेरी मिनिमम सैलरीज गिवन टू देम फॉर देयर लॉट ऑफ वर्क. ठीक है, हमने लिखा ना कि लॉट ऑफ वर्क दे आर डूइंग, ना तो रिस्पेक्ट प्रॉपर मिलती है ना ही वेजेस. ठीक है, ओके, सो देयर इज वन डाटा गिवन इन योर बुक. आपकी बुक में एक डाटा दिया हुआ है. सो दिस डाटा आल्सो शोज, अब इस डाटा में क्या बताया गया? इस डाटा में भी यही बताया गया है कि वुमेन जो हैं वर्कर्स, वुमेन वर्कर्स पर वीक उनको कितनी वुमेन को पेमेंट मिल रही है और मेन को कितने को पेमेंट मिल रही है, और कितने अनपेड है कि उनको पेमेंट प्रॉपरली टाइम से मिल ही नहीं रही है. तो यू विल सी द मेन नंबर इज मोर देन द वुमेन. ठीक है, कि मेन जो पेड हैं उनका नंबर ज्यादा है, जो वुमेन अनपेड है उनका नंबर ज्यादा है. मीन्स जो मैन अनपेड है उनका नंबर कम है बिकॉज देयर वैल्यू गेट्स द वर्क, उनके वर्क की वैल्यू है, बट द वुमेन दे आर उनके वर्क की, चाहे वो बाहर भी काम कर रही हैं, एज ए लेबरर भी काम कर रही हैं, फिर भी उनके वर्क की वैल्यू जो है वो कम है। क्लियर? सो नाउ कम्स द लास्ट पॉइंट ऑफ दिस टॉपिक, वुमेन्स वर्क एंड इक्वालिटी। ठीक है, वुमेन्स वर्क and equality. So women's work, a women's work that we have discussed, what is women's work, what is considered to be the responsibility, sole responsibility of women, that is household work and caregiving task. It is considered the whole responsibility of women's work and equality. What is equality? Equality means कि everyone is equal before our constitution. Our constitution, every law is written in our constitution, and our constitution say that everyone must be equal before law. You may have understood in previous chapter of your the civics that there is equality in our Indian democracy. You have studied that universal adult franchise is given, we have right to equality. Okay, so all this you have discussed. So women's work and equality, for if we are understanding this situation, अगर हम ये situation को study कर रहे हैं, so by understanding this situation, then it comes to our mind कि there is no equality. Whether equality is there at this situation, do you consider this is equality? ठीक है, वो टेबल भी हमने स्टडी किया, उस टेबल में भी मैन और वुमेन का रेशियो डिफरेंट है. ठीक है, अगर वुमेन वर्कर्स हैं तो वो भी उनकी सैलरी उनकी लो मिलती है. इवन द केयर गिविंग टास्क, हाउस होल्ड वर्क, वो भी सिर्फ वुमेन की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी समझे जाते हैं. वेयर इज द इक्वालिटी? है ना? यस, वेरी गुड. इक्वालिटी नहीं है. सो वुमेन्स वर्क इन इक्वालिटी, हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्या बोलता है? आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इट सेज दैट देयर इज इक्वालिटी. हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन सेज इट इज इक्वालिटी, मैन एंड वुमेन बोथ आर इक्वल. बट इन रियलिटी में क्या है? द कंडीशन इज डिफरेंट. देयर इज इनइक्वालिटी. रियलिटी में इनइक्वालिटी है, डिस्टिंक्शन, डिफरेंस बिटवीन द बोथ जेंडर्स इट एग्जिस्ट. ठीक है, दोनों जेंडर में डिफरेंस एग्जिस्ट करता है. डिफरेंस, डिस्क्रिमिनेशन इज बीइंग डन विद द वुमेन. यस, so women should be treated equally. Yes Vani, ठीक है. So in this effort, who has to take the effort? किसको effort करना पड़ेगा? Who has to take initiative? ज्यादा इसमें हम तो प्रोटेस्ट कर सकते हैं, हम डिमांड कर सकते हैं. किससे डिमांड करेंगे? गवर्नमेंट. सो गवर्नमेंट हैज टू डू द एफर्ट्स. सारे एफर्ट्स कौन करेंगे? गवर्नमेंट. तो गवर्नमेंट को एफर्ट्स करना पड़ेगा. अब गवर्नमेंट जो है वो एफर्ट्स कैसे करेगी? गवर्नमेंट ने कुछ एफर्ट्स लिए भी हैं. जैसे गवर्नमेंट्स ने आंगनवाड़ीज एस्टेब्लिश की हैं. ठीक है, आंगनवाड़ीज एस्टेब्लिश की हैं. जैसे जो गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स होते हैं या जो भी गवर्नमेंट इंस्टीट्यूशंस होते हैं, उनके साथ जो अगर किसी वुमेन वर्कर्स हैं, उनके छोटे बच्चे हैं 1, 2 years, 3 years, तो वो साथ में लेके आंगनवाड़ी में दे कैन स्टे विद देयर मदर ड्यूरिंग देयर वर्क टाइम. ठीक है, एंड व्हेन दे आर गोइंग बैक टू देयर होम दे कैन कैरी देयर चिल्ड्रन फ्रॉम देयर. ठीक है, एज क्रच, जैसे क्रच की फैसिलिटी होती है. सो सेम गवर्नमेंट हैज आल्सो प्रोवाइडेड क्रच फैसिलिटी. ठीक है, टू सम इंस्टीट्यूशन जहां पे कि मोर देन 30 वुमेन वर्कर्स हैं. अगर कहीं पे इट हैज आल्सो पास्ड लॉ, तो क्रच फैसिलिटी के लिए भी, इसके लिए भी लॉ पास है. गवर्नमेंट ने लॉ बनाया हुआ है कि इफ देयर आर 30 मोर वर्कर्स, क्रैच होता है जैसे हम हमारे घर के पास ही अगर हम छोटे बच्चों को प्री नर्सरी के लिए, ठीक है, हम बच्चों को जैसे कहते हैं कि आप क्रच फैसिलिटीज, जैसे आपके 2 साल के बेबीज हैं. ठीक है, अगर आपके कोई छोटे भाई बहन है तो उनको बिफोर गोइंग टू स्कूल दे आर सेंडिंग टू सम क्रच फैसिलिटीज. भेजा जाता है किसी घर के पास ही प्लेवे स्कूल में. ठीक है, देयर इज ओनली प्लेवे स्कूल, वहां पे सिर्फ प्लेवे स्कूल होता है. सो दैट टाइप, उसी टाइप का. तो गवर्नमेंट ने आंगनवाड़ी बनाई हुई है, क्रच फैसिलिटीज है, ताकि वहां पे जो कुछ वर्किंग वुमेन है, जो वर्किंग वुमेन है, उनके साथ देयर किड्स दे कैन बी गेट time there and along with their work. Okay, so they can do pre-nursery. So it is mostly in school, mostly playway school. Aajkal they are also having this pre-nursery facility. Okay, otherwise just playway. You can say like playway schools. So that is why the Anganwadi and crèche facility became very small from 1 year also. Okay, they are 1 year babies. They are also being taken care. वहाँ पे उनकी भी take care की जाती है. Clear? So this is all about this chapter. So at last, government has to do a lot of effort in this direction so that equality can be established not only in constitution but in reality also. Okay? So with this, all this chapter is complete. Okay? And from this chapter, there can be the questions such as how the experiences of boys and girls are different in growing up in Samoa and Madhya Pradesh, or how the distinctions are made between the boys and girls, how the household work is devalued, devalue कैसे किया जाता है, how it is devalued, who is considered the household work is considered the responsibility of whom, इसकी responsibility है, ठीक है? Then what do you know about the lives of domestic workers? ठीक है, whether there is equality in reality in the women's work, whether women are getting equality in reality also, it is given in constitution. Then what are the various government efforts for bringing equality so that women can work without double burden? So there is also double burden. What is double burden? When women work outside also, and they have to work inside the home also. Okay, they have to do household work as well as they are also working outside. Okay, so this is all about this chapter. So if there is any doubt, so please let me know. Yes, bache, if there is any doubt.